In this video, we are going to learn how to search for recipes. What I want you to look for first is the pencil icon. So it's all the way over to the right. This is our add remove icon. We're going to go ahead and click on that. That's going to open up the screen. On the left-hand side are the recipes that are on your BioCharger. And on the right-hand side is where we can search. And this is where all the recipes are that are in our library. So search term, let's say we're looking for sleep recipes. We're going to type in sleep and hit enter, and all those sleep recipes will appear below. And then we can also search by persona. So we can click on athletics and all those recipes will appear. And then for origin, we can select rife and all the recipes with rife, and it will appear below as well. And we can also search by outcome. I'm going to type in back. And then all those recipes for back will appear. And the last way we can search is frequency of interest. So let's say we're looking for frequency 528. All the recipes with that frequency in it will appear below. And this is how you search for a recipe.